I think politicians' first duty is to uphold and protect the interests of the people who put them in office, and when it comes to questions like resource depletion and climate change, there is a real necessity to paint a positive picture of what the world could be like if we had a lower carbon future and we were much more efficient in how we ran our economy. But at the same time, I think it is important to drive forward with policies which might be unpopular in the short term, but for which the case must be made now, because the longer we leave this, the more difficult it will be in the future to clean up the mess that's being left by present generations. On the climate change question in particular, early action, we know from the science, is absolutely vital. And while some people might complain and be against some of those early actions, including the erection of wind turbines and some kinds of fuel taxes, for example, or even recycling facilities, I think we do have to make the case and push on forward, because if we don't do this now, it's going to leave a terrible legacy for people in the future, and in the not too distant future at that. So I'm all for making the positive case. I'm all for communicating the challenge in a way which will bring as many people on side as possible. But I do think we have to act responsibly and uphold the interests of citizens by advocating policies that might not necessarily be that popular in the short term.